Ready?
Hiya guys, this is Amber. In my last video, I mentioned that I owe you a room tour. So here we are. Today, I'm super excited to give you all a tour of my apartment in Melbourne. Since I've done similar videos before, I thought I'd also share how to rent a house in Australia. This time, it's a bit different because we are in Melbourne and we've signed a 1-year lease. This is my first time signing a lease abroad and also the first time in my life. It's a very special experience and I think it will be helpful for those who want to rent an apartment in Australia. Welcome to our living room. We have an L-shaped couch in front of us, a standing light making it very cozy. Sometimes during the night, if I can't sleep, I just lie here and read. Our kitchen is quite big. I love how spacious it is. We have plenty of room to cook. However, I'm not a big fan of this electric cooker as it takes so long to heat up and waste energy. But I do love this big fridge. It made me feel safe. This kitchen table, you know what? You can even like
Oh, so when you have guests come over?
But I don't know how to. Yeah, I know. It's similar to the one in Harris. Okay. Which one?
Wow, so
The
spacious.
main room! It's my bed, the cozier spot in the room. I really love this blanket cover. It made me feel so cozy. I also had a wardrobe and a dressing mirror. So here's my study room, fitness room, and storage room in all one. I've set down a small desk with my laptop and office supplies. There is also a yoga mat and some dumbbells for workout. And our suitcase, a spare mattress, everything. So this is our toilet and bathroom. I think it's great to have them separated, so that you don't need to worry about someone occupying the other room for a long time. The bathroom has a nice shower with good water pressure. They come with some shelf for storage, and we have some decorative touch like a nice shower curtain and some bath mats. So how to rent an apartment in Australia? So there's an app you need to know called last.com.au. At the first month I was in Melbourne, I went to the library and trying to print out my CV, and I was chatting with the staff who was helping me. I told her I was new here and I'm looking for a place to rent, and she told me her mom is a real estate agent. How coincident. And she recommended this app or website to me. So that's where most Aussies find their own place. In this app or website, you can choose your budget and the area you want to live. You have to book an inspection to show up in person, so that they know you are a real person, not a robot behind a computer. This gives you a higher chance to getting a room you want, apartment or house you want. After the inspection, you need to apply for the place. Before that, your accounts on the apps needs to be filled out completely, and you need to provide strong evidence that you can afford the place and will pay the rent on time. You will need to provide documents like your ID, proof of income, such as payslips or bank statements, and references from previous landlords if you have them. It's also a good idea to write a cover letter, introduce yourself, and explaining why you will be a good tenant. If the agent chooses you, and they will talk to the landlord and you will get a place. After we get a place, our agent help us contact a company that sort out the internet, water, gas, and electricity for us, make it very easy. Some utility company even offer package for the new tenants, which you can save your time and money. Summary, I would say renting a place in Australia is not very difficult, even for foreign travelers like us, as long as you can show your ability to pay and stay the place for long enough. Tips? A few tips. Always read the lease agreement carefully, take photo of any existing damage where you move in, and keep communication open with your landlord or agent. Alright, thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and comment. That's a motivation for the next video. See you soon!